Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of different hair techniques and the hairdos that you can perform at your home. All these hairstyles are very simple and very easy. These are just the tricks and the twists and the turns that will help you to create such of the hair looks at your own places. You don't need to waste your money by visiting the expensive hair salons. You can just try to make all these hairstyles at your own places. You might require some of the hair accessories like the fancy hairpins, the 3-compartment clippy pins that are easily available in your market. You can purchase from it anywhere. You may require combs, some of the casual rubber bands, and some of the BunPins, or we can say the Judah pins. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braids that we usually make in some of the internal twisty type of the rubber band type of the hairdos. Moreover, you may require the simple type of the technique that will help. That's the circulatory motion of creating the buns. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy, and you can definitely try to perform these type of the hairstyles at your own places. All these hairstyles are of different difficulty levels. Some might be quite easy, some are very complex, but you will be able to perform all these hairstyles at your own places. Some are very much time consuming, some will be in just few seconds. All these hairstyles are so simple and so easy, so stay tuned and follow each step in a sequential manner. You can't skip any specific step, it will ruin the whole hairstyle. So keep this thing in mind that you just have to watch the video minutely and you should be focused so that you will be able to create these hair looks. Another hairstyle is again very simple. First, you just have to make a lower ponytail. After that, loosen it in the bunny form and in a crisscross manner, fix it at the proper position. We will now move further with another hairstyle best suited for the long length hair. First, you just have to make a lower ponytail. After that, make the two pony divisions and then tie them up using the rubber band. Give them the outer type of the twist and fix them again together and then roll it as apparent on your screens. This one is quite simple and quite easy. It's the casual bunny look. You can definitely create this type of the hair look at your own places. Thank you.